multiplication class. Children, you have learned multiplication in class 1, class 2, class 3 and now you are in class 4. So without wasting much time, let's recall some technical names which are used in multiplication. When we are multiplying two numbers, for example 3263 into 4 is equal to 13,052. We will give some name to these numbers. This is known as multiplicand. This is known as multiplier. And this is known as product. So try to understand here. The number being multiplied is called multiplicand. Okay, the number which is being multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number which multiply the multiplicand is known as multiplier. So here 4 is a multiplier, and then the answer is known as product. Understood? One more thing we can use here. You will think that this number is also multiplying by this number. So why it is multiplicand, why it is multiplier? When we are writing first and second, then we are using like this. Otherwise both we can call factor. This is also factor and this is also factor of this product. So it is clear now? Now one by one we will recall how we are multiplying the number with 1-digit number, then 2-digit number, then 3-digit number. So now let's start multiplication by 1-digit number. We will take one example here. Multiply 3,263 by 4. Okay. I have taken one example 1. Here you can see that this is multiplicand or whatever you can say. This is multiplied by 1-digit number, that is 4. For this, first we will arrange this number in a place value table. So you know how to arrange the number in a place value table. First we will write here 1000, 100, tens and ones. And below this we will write these number. Okay. 3, it is in ones place, so I will write below ones place 3. 6, it is in tens place, it is 6 tens. 200, so here it will be 200, and then 3000. It is clear? Then I will write the multiplier, that will be 4. Again, what this number is called, this is known as multiplicand. This 4 is known as multiplier. Now I have to multiply this number. So one by one, you know the table of 4. It is very easy now. You know the table of 4. So from 4 we will multiply one by one each digit which is in ones place, then tens place, then hundred, then thousand. Always start multiplication from this side. Always start with the digit of ones place, and after that multiply with the tens place digit, and then multiply by hundred place digit, and then thousand. So okay, never start from this side. First you will multiply thousand, then hundred, then tens. No, we have to multiply from this hand side. Okay. So first of all, 4 into 3 will be 12. It will be 12 ones. In 12 ones there is 2 ones and 1 tens. In 12 ones, how many ones is there? 2 ones and 1 tens. So below the ones place we will write here 2 and 1 tens I will carry over here. Okay, because I have to write in a tens place only. Now we will multiply the digit which is in tens place. Here it is 6 now. In the tens place you can see what the number is there. There is 6. So I will multiply 4 into 6. Now here it is 4 into 6, that will be 6 4s are 24. So it is 24 tens. 6 4s are 24, that means 24 tens, because here it is 6 tens now, 6 tens and 4, when we will multiply it will become 24 tens. Already there is 1 tens also. So 24 tens plus 1 tens, it will be 25 tens. 25 tens means 5 tens and 200. So I will carry this 2 over here. Now we will multiply the number which is in 100 place. So here it is 2. So I will multiply 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, means 200 into 4 will be 800. Is it clear? 200 into 400 will be 800. Already we are having 200 here, which I have carried out. Okay. So 2 plus 8 it will be 1000. 1000 in 1000 we can write 0, 100 and 1000. So 1000 is equal to 1000 now. So it will be 0, 100 and 1000. I will carry it over here. Now I will multiply the number which is in 1000 place. That is 3. Then 3 into 4 it will be 12. And 12 plus 1 will be 30. So our product is, what we are getting after the multiplication of these two numbers is 13,052. Very easy. Simply we are multiplying one by one number and then we are writing here. Now we will learn how to multiply by 2-digit number. Digit number. So here also I am taking one example. Example 1. I have to multiply 3231 by 12. This by, instead of by we can write in, we can put into sign also, cross sign. Okay, that is a multiplication sign. So instead of that we can write like this also, 3000 231 into 12. We have to find this, okay? So for this, first we will arrange the number in a place value table. And you are very smart in doing that. So here 1000, 100, tens, ones. Now I will arrange the number in this table, okay? So here it is 1 ones, 3 tens, 200 and 3000. We have to multiply this number by 12. So we will put here cross sign, that is multiplication sign, and then I will write here 12. Okay? Now children, you know how to multiply by one digit number. Here you have to multiply by two digit number. You can write 12 as 110 plus 2 ones. You can write or not? You can write now. So here I will multiply this number one by one. First I will multiply with 2, then I will multiply by 10. And then whatever will come, that I will add it. So here I am showing you separately also. You can multiply here 3231. First you multiply by 2. Okay? That is first step. And in second step, you will multiply 3231 by 10. Then you will add both the number. Okay? So you can see here 2 ones are 2. First, always we are starting from this side. If there is problem, I am writing here place value also. Okay. So first we will multiply the number which is in ones place. So 2 ones are 2. Then with the tens place I will multiply 3 twos are 6. Then 2 twos are 4. And then 3 twos are 6. Okay. Now here I will multiply the number by 10. And whenever I am multiplying the number by the number which is having 0 in a ones place, so simply I can put 0 in ones place. Okay, nothing I have to do. I have to put 0 in the ones place, and after that I will multiply the digit which is in the tens place one by one with the ones place digit, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay, first step I will put 0 in a ones place. Okay, whenever I am multiplying the number which is having 0 in a ones place, I will put 0 in a ones place. Now I will start multiplying. 1 into 1, that will be 1. 1 into 3, that will be 3. 1 into 2, that will be 2. And 1 into 3, that will be 3. You can see I have find two products here. Both the product I will add here. So this simply I can write here also. 2 ones are 2, that only I am writing. You can see how every time you will not do the separate, only for explaining I have shown you here. So simply how you will multiply together only like this. First you will multiply the number which is in ones place. Okay, first you will multiply by 2. Never start multiplication by the number which is in tens place. First you will start from here. Okay. So first you will multiply 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, and then again 2 threes are 6. After that, when you are multiplying the number which is in tens place, first you will put 0 in the ones place. Okay, that is the rule. You will. Otherwise, if you are not understanding, you please think that is a rule only. When you have to multiply by the tens place number, first you have to put 0 in a one place. Okay, so it will be Now we will multiply with the digit which is in tens place, one by one. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, and then 1 threes are 3. Then we will add both the number. That only I get now, this one and this one. Okay, I will add this two number together. 2 plus 0, 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 2, 8, and here it is 3. So our answer is 38,772. So it is very easy. Now same process we will do when we have to multiply the number by 3-digit number. Okay, multiplication by 3-digit number. Here I will not show you separate multiplication, together only I will teach you, because already I have explained you. And when you will learn the properties of and the fact of multiplication, it will be more clear for you. Your concept will be more clear. So now multiplication by 3-digit number. Here I am taking example. Here I am taking one example. 328 by 152. First we will arrange in a place value table. Here is a 3-digit number, both is 3-digit number only. So I will write here 100, tens, ones, but the number will go 1000 and 10,000 also. So I am putting here 10,000 and 1000 also. First I will arrange the number here. I will start writing from this hand side only. Okay, I will start from the ones place. So 8 ones, I will write here 8 ones, 2 tens, and 300. I have to multiply this number with 152. 2 ones, 5 tens, and 100. So now learn how to first of all, I will multiply the number which is in ones place. Okay. Here also I can show you 3 steps. First we are multiplying with 2 ones, then 5 tens means 50, and then 100, that is 100. So together only I am showing you here. First I will multiply with 2 which is in ones place. So 8 twos are 16. I will not write here, I will write somewhere else. I can write here rough. Here only I will carry and then I will rub it. Okay, first I will carry, then I will rub it. It is 8 twos are 16 ones. 8 into 2 it will be 16 ones. 16 ones means 6 ones and 1 tens. Okay, it is 1 tens plus 6 ones. So 1 tens I will carry. This I had carried 1 tens. Okay. Now I will multiply the number which is in tens place, means 2 into 2. That will be 4. And because I am multiplying with the tens place digit, it will be 4 tens, not 4 ones. It will be 4 tens. And already I am having 1 tens which I have carried. So this I will add here. Okay, 4 tens plus 1 tens I will add. That will become 5 tens. 4 plus 1. Okay. that will become 5 tens. So I will write here 5 tens. Now I will multiply the number which is in 100 place, that is 3. 3 into 2, and it is 300 into 2. Okay, just 2 tens. So 300 into 2, it will be 600. It will become 600. Nothing I have carried in this step. So I will write here 600 only. So you can see here 8 to the 16, 1 I will carry, otherwise you remember like this, 1 I have to carry, okay. In the next step I have to carry 1, because 8 to the 16 it is a 2-digit number. So 6 I have written here and 1 I have carried over there. So 2 to the 4, and what 1 I have carried, that I will add 4 plus 1, that will be 5. Then 2 3 is 6. Now I will multiply the number with 50. 5 tens. When I am multiplying with 5 tens, in that first I will put 0 in a ones place. This I have to do. First I will put 0 in the ones place, and simply I will multiply 5 with the digit which is in ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. So I will multiply one by one. So here it is 5 into 8. So it will be 40. 40. Okay. Here it is 8 into 5, that will be 40. So simply I will write 0, because here it is a 2-digit number and I got 40 tens. So I will write here 0 and 4 I will carry it over here. Okay, 4 I have to carry for the next step. Only this I have written and this I have to carry for a next step. Now 5 twos are 10. Here it is 5 twos are 10. And in this 10 I will add this 4. This 4 I will add. Okay, it will become 14. So here I will write, here also I got a 2-digit number. So I will write here 4 and 1 I will carry for the next step. This I have written and that I have to carry for the next step, this 1. Now here it is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 50. And this will come here. I will add this 1 what I have carried. Here it will become 16. So simply I will write here 16. Because no further I have to multiply. Now in third step I have to multiply the digit which is in 100 place. And when you will multiply the digit which is in 100 place, first you will put 0 in a ones place and then 0 in tens place, and from 100 place we will start multiplying, okay? Because I am multiplying the number which is in 100 place. So from here only I will start writing. 0 in ones place also, 0 in tens place also I will write. So first I will multiply 1 into 8. Every time we will start from this side only, okay? From ones, tens, then 100. So here it is 1 into 8, that is 8. I will write here 8. Then 1 into 2, that is 2. And then 1 into 3, that will be 3. Now I will add this all number together. 6 plus 0 plus 0 will be 6 only. 5 plus 0 plus 0 will be 5 only. 6 plus 4 plus 8 will be 18. Here again 8 I will write and 1 I have to carry over here. Okay, in the finger also you can carry, or you can write somewhere in a copy, in a rough side, to remember what I have carried. So here 1 I have to carry, because 6 plus 4 plus 8 will be 18, 1 I am carrying. Then 6 2s are 12. And what I am carrying? 1. So 12 plus 1 will be 13. 3 I will write here, again 1 I will carry over. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 what I am carrying I will add all together. 3 plus 1 4 and then 1 5. So we get the answer this. Very easy to multiply. Okay, thank you children.